Hi there, little friends. Welcome to Toddlers TV. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning about shapes and colors. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go. Look at all these shapes. This is a circle. Can you say circle?
Circle. Reimagined.
Great job. Now, this is a square. Can you say square?
Square.
Awesome. And this is a triangle. Can you say triangle?
A triangle.
You're doing amazing. Wow. Look at the circle. It's turning red. Can you say red?
Red.
Perfect. Now the square is turning blue. Can you say blue?
Blue.
Fantastic. And now the triangle is turning yellow. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
You're doing so well. Let's sing a song about shapes and colors. Sing along with me.
Shapes and colors all around. Circle, square, and triangle found. Red and blue and yellow too. So many colors just for you. Shapes and colors all around. Learning fun is always found. Red and blue and yellow too. So many colors just for you. Shapes and colors all around. Learning fun is always found.
Great singing, everyone. Now, let's play a fun game. What shape is this?
Circle.
That's right. It's a red circle. What color is this square?
Blue.
Yes. It's a blue square. You're so smart. We had so much fun learning about shapes and colors today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Toddlers TV for more fun videos. See you next time, little friends. Bye-bye.